1:30 in the morning. Leave no trace. I don't even know if I'm going to post it because I'm going to sleep for most of it. Very curious, aren't you? State of the boots, man. Look how clear that is. Now then, we are out in the beautiful Lake District. Might be camping up there, I'm not sure. I was going to camp up there, but snailed up in clouds, so, but it's still pretty early, so we'll see how the day goes, and then when we get to the middle bit, I'll decide whether to camp up there or up there. Anyway, let's crack on. Right, I've just stopped a minute while there's gusts of wind flying through here, like 30 mile an hour, but it's not as bad right now. Like I said, I do want to camp up the tops. I was due to go up Pillar, but that's under clouds right now, so Kirkfell isn't, so I might go up there. And if it gets really bad, I can just come to the bottom here and just camp by the river. Yeah, I'll crack on up here.
It's time to be blossom like flowers. Yeah, it's time to be reckless after hours. I know you're shy, but I need a little love or a sign that tells me you're ready to wander into me. Let it go. I can dim the lights and it makes you feel more easy on the mind. Yeah, we can take it slow. There's nothing here to hide. Oh, I give you everything. Yeah, I give you everything. Yeah, every little piece of me. Oh, yeah, this time we're gonna drown in your sweet love. There is no shame in your sweet love. This is unconditional.
I can't see Pillar because it's in the clouds, so I'm gonna go up Kirkfell. It's a bit of a scramble up here, but should be sound. But I'll show you around now. Yeah, I was gonna go up all along that ridge over to Pillar, but it's literally been in the clouds since I got here. It's all pretty low level. So yeah, I'm gonna go up here and just scramble up through this. So I've just come up all in front of this. Up there, it's pretty gnarly stuff in wind. That was gnarly, that coming up there. Jesus. But last push now. I've never been up Kirkfell this way. I wasn't expecting a scramble here. Whew. Right, finally made it through all this gully. Oh, shattered. Beautiful views. Cloud everywhere. Great Gables behind there. Great and Scarfell ranges over there somewhere. You can just make out Westwater. I'm just sat in the little wind shelter, just keeping the breeze off my back, and I've got my hat on so my head's not cold. The time is now, it's like maybe 2:30, 2:45 maybe. I literally have not seen a single person while I've been on this walk. For food tonight, I've got chorizo and pasta in just like a tomato sauce that I've made up with like 4 or 5 different cheeses, some seasoning, cream, all the good stuff. Right, this cloud's really coming in now. I don't know what time I'm going to set up the tent. There's rumours to be light showers at 3 o'clock, so might get the tent up before then. There is a couple of places to pitch with some good views, so I can have I'm saying good views. If it clears up, I'll have some good views, but I'm full on in the clouds now. So I've set up the tent. It was a bit windy, so I didn't bother filming it. Views of Westwater, looking beautiful. Great Gable in full view, also looking beautiful. And that's just the summit of Kirkfell. I've just dropped down to here. I'm going to put the rest of my stuff in the tent and then get warm. My hands are freezing. So I'm in the tent and I'll show you outside, but I'm completely clagged in. Can't even get the drone up. I managed to check the weather. Wind's gone up to 40 mile an hour now, so there'll definitely be no drone footage. So yeah, it looks like I'm tent bound and I'm just gonna chill. There we go, can't see nothing. I fell asleep and the wind woke me up. It's like, I think I fell asleep maybe 7. It's now just past midnight, so literally no filming. And as you can tell, it's blowing a gale. Nothing too crazy, but I've not eaten, I've not drank anything. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get back to sleep. And sorry for the shit video, but I'll see you in the morning. 1 in the morning, I'm too hungry. Can't get back to sleep. So and I know it says, oh, don't cook in your tent, but I am doing. Chorizo pasta in a homemade creamy tomato sauce. Here we are, 1:30 in the morning. Will I regret it tomorrow? I'm not sure. So yeah, I've been asleep for like 5 hours, and I woke up and I just can't get back to sleep, and it's windy a bit. Like I say, it went up to 40-mile-an-hour winds, but it's not that right now. I don't want to be getting off the mountain as well on an empty stomach. So, and I know eating at this time is not good for you, but I don't care. It's not you eating it, it's me. So yeah, I'm just going to eat this food, probably chill for a bit, have a couple of more hours, and then get off the mountain. Yeah, good morning. I think it's time to pack up. Right, I'm just going to slowly, I've been asleep here, I'm going to slowly pack away and get myself off this mountain because it's getting a bit rowdy now. So I'm fully packed away now. All that's packed up, just my hat and my gloves. I'll put this tent away now and we'll get out of here. Right, I don't even know if you can hear me, but I'm going to get myself off this mountain. Leave no trace. I don't even know if I'm going to post it because I'm going to sleep for most of it. Anyway, I'll see you on next one.